Good morning, students. Welcome to BSc 2 4th semester geology class. So today I am going to discuss on the histology of adrenal gland. Histology of adrenal gland. So adrenal gland is another type of endocrine gland present on the top of the kidneys. So these two are adrenal glands. Add above. The renal refers to kidney. Adrenal glands, or they are also called as suprarenal glands. Suprarenal glands. Okay. So adrenals are paired endocrine glands present one at the anterior end of each kidney. For this reason, they are also referred to as the suprarenal glands. Suprarenal glands. So they are referred as adrenal or suprarenal glands. Both histologically and functionally, each adrenal gland is composed of yellow colored an outer adrenal cortex and an inner dark colored adrenal medulla. So here you can see the part. Okay, so this part is this external layer, yellowish layer, is called cortex part. This part cortex, and this is medulla. So this part is called cortex and medulla. So medulla secretes adrenaline, noradrenaline hormones. Cortical part is also secreting the steroid hormones. So the functioning of this part of the adrenal gland, adrenal cortex, is stimulated by hormones secreted by the pituitary gland, ACTH hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone. Clear? So if you take the section of the adrenal gland, it shows two parts. Central part is adrenal medulla, peripheral part is adrenal cortex. So, okay, the entire gland is covered by fibrous capsule which sends septa into the cortex and divides it into three zones. So this is left adrenal gland, this one is right adrenal gland. See, the cortical part from here to here, this is cortex, adrenal cortex. This has been further divided into three layers. Outermost layer is called zona glomerulosa. Outside the zona glomerulosa, capsule is present, connective tissue capsule, which protects the internal endocrine part of the adrenal gland. So cortical part from here to here, cortex, this is cortex, and this is adrenal medulla part. Okay, so adrenal cortex is again divided into three layers. Outermost layer is called zona glomerulosa, and central one is zona fasciculata, and innermost is zona reticularis. You can see the differences in their composition. Okay, how it looks. See, so major part of the adrenal cortex is contributed by zona fasciculata. Okay, so the first outermost layer, zona glomerulosa. This zone is found below the capsule. It comprises of columnar cells. This zone controls the mineral and water balance of the body, and also fat and carbohydrate absorption. It secretes hormone deoxycorticosterone, which is not under the pituitary control. which is not under the pituitary control. So most of the part of the cortex is controlled by pituitary gland, ACTH, adrenocorticotrophic hormone. Next, zona fasciculata. This zone consists of compressed cells which secrete corticosterone to control carbohydrate metabolism. This hormone also causes disintegration of lymphocytes and release of their antibodies. So zona fasciculata secretes corticosterone. Corticosterone is a glucocorticoid hormone. It controls carbohydrate metabolism. Carbohydrate metabolism is controlled by corticosterone. This hormone also causes disintegration of lymphocytes and release of their antibodies. So lymphocytes, B lymphocytes, there are two types of lymphocytes, T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes. T lymphocytes do not produce antibodies. Only B lymphocytes produce antibodies. So B lymphocytes release antibodies. These antibodies, what they do? They kill any foreign body that enters our system. So this is about zona fasciculata. Last part, innermost layer of the adrenal cortex is zona reticularis. It is the innermost zone of cortex which consists of pigmented reticular cells. Pigmented reticular cells. This zone secretes sex hormones which are responsible for normal sexual activities. So zona reticularis secretes sex hormones to perform normal sexual activities. So medulla has irregularly disposed cells. It consists, see the medullary part, see cortex part is completed, medulla part of the adrenal gland. Medulla has irregularly disposed cells. It contains elastic fibers and sinusoids. Sinusoids are nothing but large blood spaces. Medulla cells have granular cytoplasm which takes dark stain with osmic vapor. Medulla secretes two hormones, namely adrenaline or epinephrine and noradrenaline or norepinephrine. So this is about the histological part of the adrenal gland. Okay, so cross section of adrenal gland reveals this part is medulla, and from here to here cortex, and this the outermost layer is capsule. And externally the adrenal gland is covered by adipose tissue. So coming to discuss the functions of adrenal gland. Adrenal gland secretes important hormone both from medullary and cortical zones. The medullary hormones are epinephrine and norepinephrine. Adrenaline is hypoglycemic hormone. Promotes glycogenolysis. So glycogen is broken down to release glucose to the blood and increases blood pressure. Next, the cortical region secretes corticoids which promote gluconeogenesis, production of glucose from non-carbohydrate substances, and marked effect on protein metabolism. Okay, so these are the functions of adrenal gland. So assignments on this topic: write the names of three distinct layers of adrenal cortex. Which hormones are secreted by the medulla of adrenal gland? Then which hormones are secreted by the cortex of adrenal gland. So these are the 3 questions on this chapter. Thank you.